Problem statement. Into the sales table, map the product name to the product key. Now we are in the sales table and you can see that this column contains the product key and this is in the form of a number. Now using this product key, we have to map the corresponding product. Now from which table do we have to map the products? It's from the products table. So if we go to the products table, you can see that there is a product key column here as well. And corresponding to each product key, there is a product name. So that is what we want to map into the sales table. Now this is very similar to the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. So let us see how the lookup values function works in Power BI. So for that, let me add a new calculated column. And I'll call this product name. Now the function that I'm going to use over here is lookup value. I'll hit tab, and if you look at the syntax, the first argument is result column name. So here we have to provide the column name from which we want to fetch the results, which in this case is the products name column from the products table. So I will start typing that in. And here is the column that we are looking for. I will select that, comma. Now the next argument is search column name. So which is the column with which we have to search? It is the product key. So with the help of the product key, we have to search the product name. So I will enter product and it is the product key column from the product table. I will select that, comma. Now the search value is the product key from the sales table. So I will enter sales and look for that column. So I will select this product key column and then I will close the bracket and hit enter. So you can see here a new column product name has been added and it has the product names for the corresponding product key. Now you can use a lookup value function even when there is no relationship established between the tables, unlike the related function, where you need to have a relationship between the tables where you are performing the calculation. And so in such cases where there is already a relationship, it is always advisable to use the related function because it would be much faster than the lookup value function. In this section on filter functions, we learned how to clear all the filters using the all function, understood the use of earlier and filter function, and then we looked up for values from another table using the lookup value function.